Karakshalo National Election Commission Bukhaktoi Maharastra te Jharkhand bidhansabha chongmarini sal sakhwlaijakha Chief Electoral Officer Rajiv Kumar Maharastra ni bidhansabha chongmari angnai 20 November ni sal mariwa bot lekha jagnai 23 November 288 asok thaino tewe chongmari angnai arwa nomination ni paithang ni sal angkha 29 October te vaisa bukhago hinke 81 asok thaino tewe Jharkhand bidhansabha chongmari angnai waini dofawa chongmari angnai 30 November ni sal mariwa waisa chongmari angnai abun yagulo 20 November ni sal mariwa bo chongmari angnai Jharkhand ni bot lekha jagnai 23 November ro.
For Maharashtra, this will be in single phase. The notifications, date of notifications are in front of you. 22nd October would be date of notification. Last date of making nomination would be 29th October. Scrutiny on 30th October. And last date for withdrawal 4th, and date of poll in Maharashtra would be 20th 11. Counting would be on 23rd 11 24, and you will notice that date of poll is Wednesday. This is deliberately, which lot of scheduling, whatever goes into scheduling, we have tried that it is midday, so that issue of urban apathy is handled. And in case of urban apathy, we are really very concerned. We want to make appeal through you to all our esteemed voters in the urban areas to please come and vote. It's not a healthy trend which is reflected. If I give you a brief of what is happening across the elections in the urban apathy, we will share this slide with you. If you look at various states, you look at Gurgaon, you look at Faridabad recently. Last elections, you look at Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. You look at Bangalore South. You look at Gujarat, Gandhigram, Kolaba, Mumbai City, Pune, Thane, all are much below the state averages of each state. We will be conducting a special meeting of the municipal commissioners and DOs within a week's time to appeal again to do whatever we can do to motivate the voters in the urban areas, but the trends are really not good. Now, friends, coming to Jharkhand. झारखंड एक बहुत ही समृद्ध स्टेट है, बहुत ही उसकी विरासत है, और वहां पर हम फिर से अपील करेंगे कि सब वोटर्स अधिक से अधिक मात्रा में वोट दें. शेड्यूल वुड बी लाइक दिस. झारखंड वुड बी इन 2 phases. The date of poll, first phase would be on, date of poll would be on 13th November, and the second phase would be along with Maharashtra on 20th November. So the date of issue of notification for Jharkhand phase 1 would be 18th, and for phase 2 would be 22nd along with Maharashtra. Nominations for phase 1 would be till 25th of October, and for phase 2 29th. This slide we will share with everyone. And date of poll would be 13th November and 20th November, both Wednesdays. And date of counting would be 23rd 11, that is Saturday. With this, we end our presentation with the request that through you, that all the voters of Jharkhand and Maharashtra कृपया बाहर आइए, कृपया वोट करिए. लोकतंत्र के उत्सव में आपकी भागीदारी कि हम बहुत ही रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, अपील करते हैं आपसे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Bureau Report, Kokhara.